You now understand how to generate the script using Gemini and how to generate the voiceover for your video using Clipchamp. So in this lesson, I'm going to be showing you how to generate matching images for your video. Now, do not forget that in this course, what we are doing is YouTube automation. And YouTube automation is all about generating every single thing from the voiceover, the scripts, the thumbnail using AI. All right, using AI, and that's why the images. That's why we're going to be working with AI images. I also implore you to go to YouTube and search storytelling channels. Just type storytelling or type tales or type folk tales or stuff like that. Just search them on YouTube and check out the channels. You'll actually get inspiration from them. All right. So the next thing we're going to be doing is to generate images that will match our script. And this is exactly how we're going to do it. First of all, we're going to duplicate this, or we'll simply just open a new Gemini tab. So we'll have 3 Gemini tabs open. Now, the next thing you are going to do is to visit this prompt document. All right. Now, in the second tab here, look at it on the left hand side, or if you even scroll down, if you scroll down, you're going to see the next one, storyboard prompt. This is the next document tab. Now, this prompt is what we are going to use. You can read it if you want to. This prompt is what we are going to use to generate our images. Now, in this part here, we are going to insert our full script chapter. Okay, we're going to insert it. Now, for very long scripts, what you are going to do is to come to Gemini here. You don't need to copy everything. You can just copy the chapter 1, part 1 only, first of all. You can start with the part 1 first, or you can just copy every single thing. I think everything here should fit in. Just copy everything in chapter 1. But if your chapter 1 is really long, let's say like 5,000 words above, then you can start just copy each part. All right, copy each part. But here I'm going to copy everything since it's not really long. Just going to copy everything, and here I'm going to come back. Going to come back here and just paste it. I'm going to paste it right here. Good. So you can see what I just did now. So I'm going to copy everything now. I'm going to copy the whole prompt. Now that I've copied it, just Ctrl C to copy everything. I'm going to come to this Gemini here, to this one, and I'm going to paste this, then enter. Now, what this prompt is going to do is it's going to generate prompts for you to use to generate the images. Do you understand me? Now, you can try, you could actually just tell Gemini or Nano Banana what you want to create. Let's say a boy standing on a tree, a boy going to, on a ship. But it's so much better to generate the prompts that you want to use to generate the images using AI, because AI is going to going to create, so it's going to create better prompts for you. Do you understand me? That's why we are generating the prompts using Gemini before actually generating the images. Now look at this. If we scroll down, you can see for the short one, the city of I don't know, is this Veridia, did not simply exist. Look at it. This prompt has given us the prompt. For the short 2, this part, there's a prompt for it. For short 3, this part is a prompt for it. There's a prompt for it too. And then if you scroll down, see everything. Short 12, there's a prompt for it. Then, would you like me to continue with the next part of the script? Actually, in this prompt, I told it not to what. If I scroll down to the instructions of this prompt, you would see here that I told it, where is the part? Okay, so you will process the scripts in manageable chunks, because I've actually told you, I've actually gave it a long script, if I gave it a lot and I told it to actually generate everything, all the prompts, it would be too much. Like you have to scroll up, scroll down. So just generating everything in manageable prompts, I mean in manageable chunks for us. All right. So once it's done with a particular chunk, all you need to do is what? Type yes, continue with the next one, and continue just like that. So you see how powerful this prompt document is. You can find it in the resources section for free. So just go there, open it, and start working with it. So the first one we're going to start from the beginning. This is the first shot. Look at it. An extreme wild wherever. wide rather, not wild. So I'm just going to copy this, and I'm going to go to my third Gemini tab, and I'm going to open up the tools and select create images. And I'm going to just paste this and enter. The image has been generated. Look at it. It's very, very easy. You see? So you can continue generating everything, or if you don't want to be scrolling up in order to download, to start downloading everything, you can just download it right now. Click download full size here. This download icon here. It should also be. It's not. Let me see. No, it's not here. So just hit this download icon right here, and it's going to download the image for you. All right. So I'll just download this now, and it has been downloaded already, as you can see right here. So this is how we are going to do for every other part of the script. You can see you're going to copy. After doing this one, the next thing you want to do is what? Copy this next prompt, and then come to your third Gemini tab and paste this. So you see, this makes it so much faster for you. So if you follow this workflow that I'm giving you, you'll be able to push out content faster. If you've actually been doing this before, if you've been doing YouTube automation, this workflow that I came up with is going to help you to push out content even twice as fast as you've been doing it. Okay, as you've been doing this before. Now look at this. The reason why we are using Nano Banana is because of the image consistency. You can see that this first image looks identical to this second one, or this second one looks identical to this first one. You can see the scenery. Look at it. So this is exactly what you are going to do. When you are done with all of this, done with all the shots, all you need to do is to what? Tell it what? Continue with the next part of the script. All right, and that's it. Very, very easy. This is how you generate, the storyboard for the images, and that's all. So this is how you storyboard images using Gemini. You storyboard images for your scripts. Storyboard. This is what I call storyboard. Okay, storyboarding images for your script. All right, so you download everything and you are going to import it into CapCut. And that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you in the next lesson. I'm going to be showing you how to import and arrange all your elements, the voiceover and the images in CapCut. So I'll see you in the next lesson.